What's up, guys? Back at the bus. Today I bought some hinges from Walmart for like $3 or $4 a piece. Think they're actually made for like a gate for your garden, but I'm going to use them to make hinges on our couch so that our storage bay will actually hinge up and out, and we can get access to all of our solar equipment like our batteries, inverter, charger, and all that stuff. We are battling some humidity right now because we just had a crazy storm, and it might storm here again in a minute, but we're trying to get done what we can slowly but surely.
Yeah, it's just us today. We get a lot of progress whenever we have help, obviously, whenever Daniel's here with the sink and the couch. So we probably won't get a lot done today, but hopefully we'll get the couch, mostly finished, I guess, yeah.
We're actually going to be measuring our wires for our solar up on the roof as well today, and sending that information to the guy that we've got that's going to be making all of our wiring. It's the same guy that helped design our system for us. It's Mark over at Tiny Home Solar.
Shout out.
Yeah, super helpful guy. I basically told him the amount of batteries that we had bought and the amount of solar panels that we had bought and their wattage and stuff, and he helped us with everything from that point forward, from like talking about the distance of wiring, the gauge of wiring, what each piece does, what each component in the system does. Do we need 12 volt? Do we need 24 volt? Are we going to have enough excess power to maybe run like a PlayStation and a TV, stuff like that. So he's been super helpful. But yeah, so that's the plan for today, and hopefully we can get some stuff done.
We are here today just to try to finish up the insulation on the outside, meaning that we're gonna do all the curved parts with insulation today. He already did up to here on this side, and it really looks great. He did all the way down on that side and then part of this side. And we're not doing the middle yet because we still have to do bracers. We do have to run a board from here to the next one there, all the way down, just right down the center. So our ceiling panels have somewhere to connect to, so that way they're not kind of, poochy in the middle, so where they hang down a little bit in the middle. But yeah, so I just came through with just a brush over here and hit all the ceiling panels and knocked down the rest of the fiberglass insulation that was up there. You can see there was still quite a bit, but he got a lot done, and I am so proud. wall framing basically completely finished. We've got the shower area here, which will be entry from right here. You walk in, this will be a little drying off area and the drain somewhere here. And then this will be a bench for us to sit down in. That'll be the wall. Into the cabinet, which is this large area here. This will be our pantry and dry food cabinet. This side over here will be the clothing closet, just linen closet, places to keep other things like that, and also our electrical, oh, I don't remember what the equipment is called, but I believe maybe our converter is going to be on the wall right there too, inside the cabinet. And then the bathroom, I suppose the wall framing is not completely done because this bathroom wall is not made yet, but almost there. Almost there. Okay, go.
Okay, so today we got the entire ceiling insulation done, which is a huge step. It was super messy. We had this whole thing taped off in plastic, so we didn't get it on anything, which I probably should have done the other day because it's all over the floor. But we got the ceiling insulation done finally. We finally ran our center rib all the way down the middle of the bus so we can have a center spot to attach the meeting point of our ceiling panels, where we're going to run some trim down the middle too. And then I finished up the pallet wood walls all the way down this side. So almost the entire front of the bus is now got the walls in place. Figured out how I'm going to be building the other wall for our bathroom, which is going to be about right here, so you can step in and turn sideways, and then the toilet will be behind you. We got this pallet wood all the way down through here. And I have some more lumber that I need to pick up, and then either sometime this week or next weekend, I might come out during the week if I have time. I'm going to get the water tank situated right here underneath where our bed's going to be, and build the frame for the water tank to hold it in place, and then I'm going to build the frame for our bed in the bedroom. So we're chugging along. We got an update about our solar stuff. Some of our fuses and wiring were on back order. But the supplier contacted the guy that we're going through, and they should have all that stuff Monday, and it should be shipped to us directly soon. So we should have electricity, hopefully, in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Dalton and Daniel and Dalton's younger brother Dakota cutting wood to start framing out our sink, the cabinet underneath and the sink. And I am actually sitting on our almost completely finished at this point couch framing. We haven't done the backrest or anything like that, but yeah, things are very much coming along. And I'm so proud of these guys that are carrying us through it.